good morning. We have the privilege of being at Wortley Hall this morning, and we're with George, who oversees the maintenance at Wortley Hall, both inside and out. We've got a team down here doing some pruning, helping out George's team today. So I've just got a few questions, George. I want to understand a little bit more about this beautiful place, what you do, a little bit about what some of the frustrations are that you experience around here. So if we can kick off, just tell us a little bit about you, what you do here, your background. That'd be great.
Well, like I say, I'm George and I'm part of the maintenance team. And this lovely building behind us was bought by the Labour Party in the 1950s, and it's been taken over as a not-for-profit organisation that offer wedding services, function rooms, a training centre for people around in this area. And it's free parking for anyone who wants to come in. Which is fantastic because it's accessible to everyone. The trouble we've got is there's only two of us in the grounds and maintenance team, and we rely heavily on the volunteer group that come, and they've been coming for the last 16 years. So with the numbers not really been enough for the 26-acre plot, it's been quite handy that Vital have been able to come in and through Barry Tiley and give us a hand getting some of the bigger jobs done, which just make this area look a little bit more fantastic.
Great stuff. So I guess some of the frustrations are you've got a 26-acre plot, you've got a big old grade listed building, I should imagine, and two of you to try and manage everything.
So we normally get pulled away from a lot of the jobs where we might be putting the grass on one day and then all of a sudden there's a burst pipe or a toilet seat that's come off. It's interesting balancing everything because you could do with about an army of 20 of us. But we just do what we can, and it seems to make a difference.
Yeah, absolutely stunning.
It looks fantastic on the roof.
Yeah. So obviously we've got our guys here doing a bit of pruning works. How has that helped?
Well, it's been extra weights off our shoulders. The list of jobs keeps on getting bigger and bigger, and we can only do so much. So the fact that you've taken the weight off our shoulders, it's just a relief, really. We've got people that have been coming around these grounds for 40 years, walking the dogs, and even for them to be able to see progress in certain areas which have previously been neglected. Everyone involved in this area, the site, appreciates the work you've been doing. It's one of those places where you do one thing and you get so much praise because it's just not been done in years.
Yeah.
So it's nice having the feedback from dog walkers and locals about the work you've been doing and also the work that we do.
Oh, that's fantastic. Thank you. We're going to take a walk around the grounds as well to showcase what there is up here. There's a walled garden that the volunteers maintain as well. So would it be okay to have a look around there and just see what goes on? So we'll catch up with you later.